Hello, good morning. We'll solve another problem on torsion of shaft. So here the problem reads like this. A hollow shaft with 300 millimeter external diameter and 200 millimeter internal diameter is subjected to a twisting moment of 300 kilonewton meter. If C value is 80 giganewton per meter square, find the maximum shear stress induced in the shaft. Determine the twist in a length of 10 times the external diameter of the shaft. Find also the shear stress at the inside edge of the shaft and sketch the variation of shear stress of the shaft. So first we'll write down the data. Internal diameter and external diameter. External diameter is 300. Internal diameter is 200 mm and twisting moment is given as 300 kilonewton meter, that is the torque, and modulus of rigidity is 80 giganewton per meter square, and you have to calculate shear stress induced in the shaft and determine the twist in a length of 10 times the external diameter. Length of the shaft will be equal to 10 times the external diameter. 10 times the external diameter means 300 mm is external diameter. So length will be 3000 millimeter. This is the data given, and you have to find the shear stress distribution across the wall of the shaft. First we will calculate polar moment of inertia, that is J, that is pi by 32 external diameter raised to 4 minus internal diameter raised to 4. So this is the polar moment of inertia of the shaft. So this is a 6.381 into 10 raised to 4 millimeter raised to 4 is the value of polar moment of inertia. Then T by J is equal to C theta by L. This is the relation, and this is equal to tau by R also. Okay. So taking a first term and third term, we'll have, so this will be equal to T is equal to, that is it is given as 300 kilonewton meter. So multiply it by 1000 two times. It is kilonewton meter. So you have to write it in Newton meter. T by J is 6.381 into 10 raised to 4 is equal to tau we have to calculate, and radius is you have to take most distant that is 300 divided by 2, that is 150. So in that case, therefore tau is equal to 70.55 Newton per millimeter square. This is the shear stress. Then angle of twist is equal to theta. Then for finding theta, we can write it as, so theta will be equal to TL by Cj. TL by Cj. That is a T by J is equal to C theta by L. So theta will be equal to TL by Cj. So this is equal to T is 300 into 10 raised to 6. Then length of the shaft is 3000. Then C value is 0.85 into 10 raised to 5. It is in giganewton per millimeter square. So if you substitute, calculate in terms of Newton per millimeter square, it will be like this. Then J is 6.381 into 10 raised to 4. So theta here you will get in radians. So if you multiply this value with 180 and divide it by pi, you will get angle of twist theta as 1 degree. Then we have found out the shear stress at the outer edge. Then let us find shear stress at the inner edge. So that is tau is equal to tau max, or tau by j is equal to tau by r, or tau by r is equal to q by r. Okay, so we can write it like this. So this is tau max is 70.55 divided by r is now 150 or 100. Capital R is 150 is equal to q divided by r, that is inner diameter, inner radius is 100. So with that, the value of q will be equal to 47.00 Newton per millimeter square. So if you sketch the distribution along the thickness of the wall, it will be like this. Here this radius is 150 and this radius is 100. So if you sketch the distribution, it will be like this. Here it is 70.55 Newton per millimeter square, and here the value is 47 Newton per millimeter square. So this is the shear variation of the shear stress across the thickness of the shaft. Across the thickness of the shaft. Okay, thank you.